If you're in the middle of a building project, isuggest ko sa inyo, gawa kayo ng list ng mga priority purchases ninyo para mas mapadali yung communications ninyo sa bawat tao na magtatanong sa inyo kung ano yung kailangan ng church. Kasi napansin ko lately, sobrang dami nagtatanong, anong kailangan natin bilhin sa lights, anong kailangan natin bilhin sa church, yung sahig and all of that. So, ako gumawa ko ng ganito. If pupunta ka sa website namin, ulfcdo.org/build, meron dyan nakalagay na priority purchases. So, aircon, electrical, interior installation, building, And all of these things, makikita nila agad. Now, eto, I'm gonna drive you to this, etong audio-video light system. Kasi may bias tayo dito May learn more dyan kasi hindi ko nilagay kung magkano. Secret na muna para hindi sila ma-shock. And so, when they click that button, pupunta sila dito sa Google Sheets na file or document na naka-attach din sa website. And they will see everything they need to know. So, yun. May purpose na, yung quantity, yung equipment, yung unit price, at saka yung total price. And then, makita nyo dito yung pinaka-total, 5 million. Okay, I think lolobo pa yan ng 6 million pag natapos ako dito. But the thing is, kung mangarap na lang tayo, like, push na natin, sagarin na natin. Kasi you might not know the people that God will empower or bring your way to bless you and your church. So, I encourage you, make something like this para sa church ninyo. Para pag may nagtanong, pag may gustong mag-bless, ready na kayo. May plano kayo. You know what? The Bible tells us, with good planning and hard work, God gives prosperity.